Marriage is a sacred union between two individuals, each bringing their unique experiences and perspectives into the relationship. It is a journey of growth, compromise, and mutual understanding. Each partner contributes their own background, values, and emotional baggage, which can sometimes lead to unexpected challenges. However, sometimes the strong bond between a man and his mother can unintentionally create challenges in his marriage. This bond, while beautiful and nurturing, can sometimes overshadow the marital relationship, leading to feelings of neglect or competition. This is not about demonizing mothers or accusing anyone of wrongdoing. Instead, it's about understanding the complex dynamics that can arise when a man's relationship with his mother affects his ability to fully show up for his wife. It's about recognizing the fine line between being a devoted son and a committed husband. It's important to approach this topic with sensitivity and empathy. Both partners need to feel heard and understood. The goal is to foster a healthy balance where the man can honor his mother while also prioritizing his marriage. Often, the term mama's boy is used negatively, but our goal is to foster understanding, not judgment. It's crucial to move beyond stereotypes and look at the individual circumstances and personalities involved. Men who are very close to their mothers are often kind, caring individuals. They have learned to be empathetic and nurturing, qualities that can make them excellent partners. Their close relationship with their mother can be a testament to their capacity for deep emotional connections. They may be especially in tune with emotions, making them attentive and loving partners. This emotional intelligence can be a significant asset in a marriage, fostering deeper intimacy and understanding. The key is balance. Just as a woman needs to differentiate from her family of origin to create a new family with her husband, a man also needs to navigate this delicate transition. This involves setting healthy boundaries and ensuring that his wife feels valued and prioritized. This doesn't mean loving his mother any less. It simply means shifting his focus and priorities to his marriage. It's about creating a new family unit where both partners feel secure and cherished. This essay aims to provide insights into the dynamics of these relationships, offer practical advice for both men and their partners, and ultimately empower couples to build healthier, happier marriages. By understanding these dynamics, couples can work together to strengthen their bond and navigate any challenges that arise. Remember, open communication, mutual respect, and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives are the foundations of any successful relationship. By fostering these qualities, couples can create a loving and supportive environment where both partners feel valued and understood. To understand how a man's relationship with his mother might impact his marriage, it's essential to look at the roots of this dynamic. The bond between a mother and her son is one of the most profound connections in human relationships. Often, the seeds are sown in childhood. These early interactions lay the foundation for a child's emotional development. A mother is usually a child's primary caregiver, especially in the early years. She is the one who provides the initial sense of safety and comfort. This creates a deep, primal bond that shapes a child's sense of security and love. The warmth and affection a mother provides are crucial for a child's emotional well-being. In some cases, this bond can develop into an unhealthy dependence, where the child relies too heavily on the mother for emotional support. This is particularly true if a father figure was absent or emotionally unavailable during the son's formative years. The absence of a paternal influence can intensify the mother-son bond. The mother, consciously or unconsciously, might become the sole source of emotional support, validation, and decision-making in her son's life. This can create a dynamic where the son feels he cannot make decisions without his mother's input. While this dynamic might seem harmless during childhood and adolescence, it can create hurdles when the son enters adulthood and seeks to build a life of his own, especially a romantic relationship. The patterns established in childhood can be hard to break. It can create hurdles when the son enters adulthood and seeks to build a life of his own, especially a romantic relationship. The ingrained patterns of seeking his mother's approval can become a source of tension. The ingrained patterns of seeking his mother's approval, relying on her for emotional support, or deferring to her judgment can, if left unchecked, spill over into his marriage, creating friction and misunderstandings. Relying on her for emotional support can make it difficult for him to fully invest in his relationship with his partner. This can lead to feelings of neglect and resentment in his spouse. Or deferring to her judgment can, if left unchecked, spill over into his marriage, creating friction and misunderstandings. The wife may feel sidelined or undervalued, leading to conflicts. It's vital to recognize that this is not about blaming mothers or placing fault. The intention is to understand the dynamics at play. Mothers in most cases act out of love and a deep desire to protect and care for their children. Their actions are often driven by the best of intentions. However, like any human relationship, without healthy boundaries and a gradual shift in dynamics as the child matures, even the purest intentions can lead to unintentional consequences. It's important for both mother and son to recognize the need for independence. Even the purest intentions can lead to unintentional consequences. By fostering open communication and setting healthy boundaries, both can navigate this transition more smoothly. For a man who finds himself caught between his love for his mother and his commitment to his wife, the journey can be confusing and emotionally charged. It's a delicate dance of emotions, where he must balance the deep-rooted affection and respect he has for his mother with the new and evolving bond he shares with his wife. He loves and respects his mother deeply, and the thought of displeasing her or causing her any pain can be unbearable. His mother has been a constant source of support and guidance throughout his life, and her happiness is incredibly important to him. However, he also loves his wife and yearns to build a strong, fulfilling life together. His wife is his chosen partner, the person he has vowed to share his life with, and he dreams of creating a future filled with love, trust, and mutual respect. The key to navigating this delicate balance lies in understanding that loving his mother and prioritizing his wife are not mutually exclusive. It's about finding a way to honor both relationships without compromising either. In fact, a mature and healthy relationship with his mother will ultimately support the growth and happiness of his marriage. When his mother feels respected and valued, she is more likely to support his marriage and the choices he makes with his wife. The first step is acknowledging that his primary emotional bond needs to shift from his mother to his wife. This transition is a natural part of life and signifies the growth of his new family unit. This doesn't mean loving his mother less. It simply means recognizing that his wife is now his partner in life, the person with whom he shares his dreams, fears, and aspirations. His wife is the one he will build a home with, face challenges with, and celebrate successes with. Open and honest communication with both his mother and his wife is crucial. He needs to be transparent about his feelings and intentions, ensuring that both women understand their unique and irreplaceable roles in his life. He needs to express his love and appreciation for his mother while gently but firmly setting boundaries. These boundaries are essential for maintaining a healthy relationship with both his mother and his wife. He should communicate to his wife that he understands her feelings and is committed to working together to create a healthy balance in their relationship. By doing so, he reassures her of her importance in his life and strengthens their bond. Section 4. Setting boundaries. A balancing act for husbands. Setting boundaries is often easier said than done, especially when it comes to a lifelong relationship with a loving mother. However, it's crucial to remember that boundaries are not walls meant to keep people out. They are guidelines that help define healthy and respectful interactions. Start by identifying the specific areas where boundaries need to be established. Is it constant communication throughout the day? Is it seeking his mother's opinion on every decision, big or small? Or is it allowing her to interfere in household matters or parenting decisions? Once these areas are identified, he can start setting clear and respectful boundaries. For example, instead of calling his mother multiple times a day, he can designate specific times for calls that work for both of them. When it comes to decision-making, he can make a conscious effort to discuss matters with his wife first, seeking his mother's input only when necessary and appropriate. It's important to communicate these boundaries clearly and calmly to both his mother and his wife. He should explain that these boundaries are not meant to hurt or disrespect anyone, but are essential for the health and well-being of his marriage. Section 5. A wife's perspective. Supporting him while staying true to yourself. For a woman married to a man who is overly dependent on his mother, the experience can be emotionally draining and isolating. She might feel like an outsider in her own marriage, constantly competing with her mother-in-law for her husband's attention, affection, and loyalty. However, it's important to remember that attacking or blaming her husband or his mother will only exacerbate the situation. Instead, she needs to approach this challenge with love, understanding, and a firm commitment to her own needs and boundaries. Open and honest communication with her husband is paramount. She needs to express her feelings calmly and clearly, explaining how his actions make her feel without blaming or criticizing. Using I statements can be helpful in this regard. For example, instead of saying, "You always put your mother first," she can say, "I feel hurt and unimportant when you prioritize your mother's needs over mine." At the same time, she needs to be patient and supportive. Breaking lifelong patterns takes time and effort. Celebrating small victories and acknowledging his efforts, even if they seem insignificant, can go a long way in encouraging him to continue on this path of growth and transformation.